Most traders are doing something right now that's keeping them from ever becoming consistent. And the worst part is they think it's helping them. They think more indicators will fix it, more strategies will fix it, more information will fix it, but it won't. I've been trading for over 16 years. I started with about $6,000 and built that into 8 figures. And I can tell you very clearly, the thing that got me there is not what most people think. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact framework I use every single day. No indicators, no complicated setups, no jumping between systems, just 3 things. And once you understand this, you'll see exactly why you've been stuck. Section 1, the trap. Most traders are stuck in the same cycle. You learn a strategy, you start using it, you get a few wins, and now you feel like you figured it out. Then a trader goes against you, then another. And now you start questioning everything. Instead of sticking to the plan, you hesitate, you tweak things, you change rules mid-trade, you lose confidence, and then you go find a new strategy, new indicators, new system. And the same thing happens again. Wins, losses, doubt, and switch over and over. I've seen this hundreds of times, not just in my own journey early on, but with traders I've worked with. And the reality is it's not a strategy, it's the switching. Every time you switch, you reset your progress. You never get enough reps to actually understand what works. Then on top of that, you keep adding more tools, RSI, MACD, moving averages, volume, Bollinger Bands. At some point, you can't even see the price anymore, and you're still confused. That should tell you everything. More is not the answer. Every consistently profitable trader I've seen has one thing in common. They have one framework, and they've gone deep with it. They've seen it work in different environments, different conditions, different types of price action, and they trust it. If you spend a year jumping between the strategies, you have maybe 2 months of experience with each. But if you spend a year focused on one approach, you have 12 months of real experience. And that's where your edge comes from. It's not from finding something new, but from understanding something deeply. Here's the framework I use every day. 3 things: support and resistance, market context, and risk management. That's it. Support and resistance are your levels. Where has price reached before? Where do we see strong moves, breakouts, sell-offs, and reversals? Those areas matter because the market already showed you they matter. You're not guessing, you're just reacting. Then next is the market context. This is huge. Is the market trending or ranging? That one question changes everything. In a trending market, breakouts and momentum work. In a choppy market, breakouts fail and price reverses constantly. Most traders ignore this and trade the same way every day, and that's why they struggle. And another thing with market context is you have to understand what economic events and what is going on geopolitically. If there's a war in Iran, there's a war in Russia, there's something going on in South America or the Middle East, you have to be aware of how this affects the market, because a level only matters when you align it with what's going on in the macro. Levels fail all the time because they don't have the right catalyst to push the stock or the index through that hard resistance level. So once you align market context with the technical side, the support and resistance, that's when you get a well-rounded trade idea. Then there's risk management. This is what keeps you in the game. How much are you risking? Where are you wrong? And when do you stop trading? If you don't have this, nothing else matters. Now, here's what this actually looks like. Before the market opens, I already know what I'm watching. I've marked my levels. I understand the market, so I'm not guessing. I'm prepared. When the market opens and the price starts moving, I'm just waiting. And if the price comes into support, most people buy immediately. I don't. I wait for confirmation. Does it hold? Does it reclaim the level? Do buyers step in? If I see strength, I take the trade. If I don't, I do nothing. And this is where most people struggle, doing nothing, feeling like you always need to be in a trade. You don't. Cash is a position, and some days the best trade is no trade. That's discipline. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Knowing this is not enough. And most of you already understand this at some level, but you don't follow it because you don't trust it yet. So you hesitate, you second guess, you look for extra confirmation, and you go back to the indicators, and you end up right back in the same cycle. The problem isn't knowledge, it's execution. And execution comes from repetition, doing the same thing over and over until it becomes automatic. That's how you build confidence. It's not from watching more videos or reading more books, but from actually doing it. When this finally clicks, everything slows down. You're not chasing, you're not forcing trades, you're waiting, you're reacting, you're staying calm. Trading becomes simple, not easy, but simple. You start seeing the same setups over and over because you're focused, and that's when consistency starts. So now you understand the framework, but understanding and executing are two different things. So click into this next video right here where I break down exactly how I take trades using this framework in real time. I'll see you there.